You can clear cache in different ways. Clear cache from the browser. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Next, click on the three dots line. A few options will appear. Tap on the Delete Browsing Data option. Now, select the More Options option. Here, make sure you have selected the Cached Images and Files option. Next, at the top, click on the Time Range option. After that, select your preferred time duration. Once you are okay with all the selections, then click on Delete Data. This will remove the cache. If you want to remove the cache from a specific app, then go to the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and click on the Apps option. The list of all apps will appear. Scroll through them and select the app that you want to clear. Again, a few options will appear. Scroll and select the Storage option. Now, at the bottom, tap on Clear Cache. It will take a few seconds, and the cache will be deleted. Repeat the same for other required apps, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more Android tips.